Hi and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making a chocolate tart, one of my favorite recipes. If you're a chocolate lover, this one's for you. What I like to do is I like to mix a little bit of milk chocolate and dark chocolate, and the exact measurements will be linked in the description box below. So let's get started. Go ahead and chop your chocolate and put it into a medium-sized bowl. Have your simmering heavy cream, pour that into the bowl and let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes until the chocolate melts and becomes soft. Add your melted butter and then go ahead and stir to incorporate until the chocolate is smooth and silky. Then you want to grab your graham cracker crust and pour the silky, creamy chocolate mixture into your graham cracker crust. And then I like to sprinkle some sprinkles at this point and then place it into the refrigerator overnight to set. I like to shave a little bit of dark chocolate, and then there you have it. You're all set. Creamy, silky, rich chocolate tart. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.